A typical Middle Eastern street food that is gaining popularity all over the world is the shawarma. Originally from Turkey, where it is called the doner kebab, it was created during the Ottoman Empire. Being a salad and meat wrap, it is one of the most healthiest street food that I've ever had and would highly recommend it to everybody. Since my stay in Muscat, I always wanted to know how it is made. It's a video.
Video?
Yeah.
Oh.
I want to see you doing this. How many years have you been making this?
No idea.
Kanal. From Stasha. Wow.
10 years.
10 years here? Oh, okay. Which country are you from? Country? Which country? Turkey. He's also Turkey. You're also Turkey. Okay. Good. Since I always wanted to know how an authentic shawarma is made, so I asked them the recipe. Tell me the recipe, how you made this. Well, they seem to be reluctant to divulge with their secret. What do you put? What spice you put in this chicken? In the chicken, what you put? Spice? No spice. But something you put. Something is there. Green chili and tomato and salt, pepper and oil. Garlic. Okay. With a little bit more convincing, they allowed me into their kitchen to see how the chicken for the shawarma or doner kebab is prepared. First, the chicken breast pieces are sliced open to increase the marination coverage. Next, the marination is prepared and applied one by one on the chicken pieces before it is mounted on the vertical skewer stand. This is then wrapped and stored in a refrigerator for a few hours before putting the rôtisserie on fire. A long sharp knife is used to slice off small shavings from the stand to serve. The juiciness of the meat is due to the fat present between the layers of chicken, which is slowly cooked on a motorized spit. I like my shawarma with a little bit of French fries and salad toppings. Some people prefer a bit of mayonnaise and tahini to give it a juicy taste. You may also try a little bit of cucumber or chili pickle to go with the shawarma. Here it is being served in a pita bread sandwich. Even though the flattened bread shawarma is most popular, but for the vegetarians in Muscat, there is a vegetarian option in the falafel made out of chickpeas is served instead of the meat in a vegetarian shawarma. Thank you so much for showing us. Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye India.
Bye bye Turkey.